In last 24 hours, there was isolated rainfall activity over the Odisha, and highest rainfall recorded in the district of Jharsuguda, that was 55.4 millimeter, and highest maximum temperature recorded in the district Sambalpur, and that was 42 degrees Celsius. And if we see for next 7 days, light to moderate rainfall very likely. Even thunderstorm activity is also expected with lightning and gusty wind for next 5 days. Warning has been issued. If we see the day-wise warning, during next 24 hours, light to moderate rain with thunderstorm, lightning and gusty wind 30 to 40 km per hour very likely to prevail in the district of Mayurbhanj, Keonjhar, Sundargarh, Gajapati, Rayagada, Koraput, Malkanagiri and Navrangarpur district. And 21st also rainfall activity is likely to continue, and light to moderate rainfall activity with thunderstorm, lightning and gusty wind 30 to 40 km per hour very likely to prevail in the district of Mayurbhanj, Keonjhar, Sundargarh, Jharsuguda, Sambalpur, Devgarh, Bargarh, Kandhamal, Kalahandi, Ganjam, Gajapati, Rayagada, Koraput and Malkanagiri district. On 22nd also rainfall is likely to continue, and yellow warning is issued for the district of Sundargarh, Keonjhar, Mayurbhanj, Jharsuguda, Bargarh, Kandhamal, Kalahandi, Rayagada, Ganjam, Gajapati, Koraput and Malkanagiri district, where light to moderate rain with thunderstorm, lightning and gusty wind 30 to 40 km per hour likely to prevail. On 23rd also light to moderate rain with thunderstorm, lightning and gusty wind 30 to 40 km per hour very likely in the district of Mayurbhanj, Keonjhar, Ganjam, Gajapati, Rayagada, Koraput and Malkanagiri district. And on 24th also rainfall activity will continue, and warning is issued, yellow warning issued for the district of Mayurbhanj, Keonjhar, Sundargarh, Kandhamal, Kalahandi, Ganjam, Gajapati, Rayagada, Malkanagiri, Koraput and Navrangarpur district, where light to moderate rain, thunderstorm, lightning and gusty wind 30 to 40 km per hour is likely to prevail over this state. And if we see for next 48 hours, hot and humid conditions very likely to prevail over the districts of coastal Odisha. And if we see the temperature, maximum temperature for next 5 days, there will be no large change in maximum temperature over the state.
How the weather would be in capital city?
Capital city is also not ruled out, and the Kalvaisakhi impact is likely over the capital city, and also hot and humid condition also is very likely to prevail over the capital city.